Hey there, fellow curious minds. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-bending concepts in theoretical physics and science fiction, parallel universes. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the multiverse and ponder the age-old question: are there really other versions of you out there in alternate realities? Let's kick things off with a basic rundown of what the multiverse theory is all about. Essentially, it proposes that our universe is just one of many, possibly infinite universes that exist alongside each other. These universes, or parallel universes, can vary wildly in terms of their physical laws, constants, and even the events that unfold within them. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth could there be other versions of me out there? Well, one popular interpretation of the multiverse theory is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. According to this idea, every time a quantum event occurs, such as the outcome of a particle's spin or the decay of a radioactive atom, the universe branches off into multiple timelines, each representing a different outcome of that event. Think of it like this. Imagine you're faced with a decision, say whether to have pizza or pasta for dinner. In one universe, you choose pizza, and in another, you choose pasta. From that point on, each universe continues to evolve independently, with its own set of events, choices, and outcomes. Now, let's get into some of the mind-bending implications of the multiverse theory. One of the most intriguing ideas is the concept of alternate selves or alternate versions of you. In theory, there could be countless versions of you living out different lives, making different decisions, and experiencing different realities. For example, in one universe, you might be a world-renowned scientist making groundbreaking discoveries. In another, you could be a famous artist or musician captivating audiences with your creativity. And in yet another, you might be leading a completely different lifestyle altogether. But here's where things get really interesting. The multiverse doesn't just apply to individual people, it extends to everything in the universe. That means there are potentially infinite versions of Earth, the solar system, and even the entire universe itself, each with its own unique characteristics and histories. Now, you might be thinking, if there are all these alternate versions of me in the world, why haven't I encountered them? Good question. The truth is, if the multiverse theory is correct, these parallel universes would exist beyond our observable reach. They could be separated by vast distances in space, time, or even dimensions we can't perceive. Imagine trying to communicate with someone in a parallel universe. The fundamental differences in physical laws and constants could make it nearly impossible to establish any form of contact. It's like trying to tune into a radio station that operates on a completely different frequency. But hey, let's not get too discouraged. The idea of parallel universes opens up a world of endless possibilities and sparks our imagination in profound ways. Just think about all the sci-fi stories, movies, and TV shows that explore the concept of alternate realities and parallel worlds. From Sliders to Rick and Morty, the multiverse has captured our fascination for decades. Of course, it's important to note that the multiverse theory is still very much a topic of debate among scientists and theorists. While some see it as a tantalizing explanation for the mysteries of quantum mechanics and cosmology, others remain skeptical due to the lack of direct empirical evidence. But here's the thing about science: it's all about pushing the boundaries of what we know and constantly questioning our understanding of the universe. The multiverse theory may seem far-fetched, but so did many other scientific ideas before they were proven or disproven. So where does that leave us? Are there really other versions of you out there in parallel universes? The answer is maybe. It's a concept that challenges our intuition and forces us to think beyond the confines of our everyday experience. Whether you're a die-hard believer in the multiverse or you take it with a grain of salt, one thing's for sure: it's a fascinating concept that sparks endless discussions, debates, and explorations into the nature of reality itself. And with that, I'll leave you to ponder the mysteries of the multiverse. Who knows? Maybe in another universe, you're already an expert on this topic. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep wondering about the vast cosmos we call home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious.